Hey, Justin, how's it going?
Oh, it's going great.
Got a minute for some questions?
Of course.
What do you usually teach at Emerson, LA?
Well, I'm teaching a class called Social Impact Documentary, where students examine films of all sizes and shapes that have to do with changing the world.
What's a unique thing about your class?
Well, what's unique is that students get to use all the great skills that they've learned at Emerson for storytelling and use those to make the world a better place.
What's your favorite filming location?
I'd have to say probably in other countries. It's always so fun to be there and learn about another culture.
What's a good book you've read?
I would have to say Sirens of Titan by Kurt Vonnegut.
What's your favorite memory from going to Emerson?
Man, my favorite memory, just the friends that I made while going to school. I can't really think of anything super specific, but I had a really good time.
What's your favorite documentary?
Right now, my favorite documentary is All Light Everywhere. It's on Hulu. It's awesome.
What's your favorite hangout spot in LA?
Favorite place to hang out is the beach in Santa Monica, Ocean Park.
Ready for some rapid fire questions?
Of course.
Mystery or horror?
I have to say mystery.
Big party or small hangout?
Big party.
Music or podcasts?
Music.
Doing laundry or dishes?
Dishes.
Ebooks or paperbacks?
Paperbacks.
Thanks, Justin. Have a good class.
Thank you.